Got two Resilient Sound Platinum D112s wired at 1 ohm. They're on a DS18 HKO 5K, and I've got a VFL 250x4 running the doors and tweeters.
Okay. I like that you have a little magnet support.
Yeah.
Not many people do. That's a good idea.
Yeah, we had to because at first it was trying to pull the box down when we inverted them. So.
Yep. And is the port on the side?
Yeah.
The air port?
Yep. Ported into the driver panel.
Okay. Yeah. I missed that earlier. Nice. Looks good. Any upgraded electrical besides you said the 45 in the back?
Well, I did a battery delete. Got a 240 amp Alton, external voltage regulator. I stay in the mid 15s pretty much all the time at idle. Okay. I see 2/10 of a voltage drop after like about a half hour of demoing.
Yeah. Nice. But, all right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Looks good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh yeah?
James the last time you see it.
Okay. Nice. Who built the box? Looks good.
Jess and Rick Day.
Okay. Very nice.
That's a 45 amp hour C-Max.
All right.
Wow. Kyle, Team Blurred Vision.
What is your frequency peak range? Like, what's it loudest?
So, with the 3K I just took out of here, I was peaking around 26 hertz with the windows open, and I peak at 41 sealed.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, definitely happy with it. Still got to finish tuning the amp a little bit, but it's doing good.
Okay. Sweet.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can play down to 14 hertz. It doesn't sound as loud, but
it won't unload.
It does great between 21 to 30 hertz.
Let me look under your hood. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Kyle system, pretty impressive double 12 trunk system. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. This was at the Savannah Seaport show in Savannah, Georgia area of 2022. Pretty impressive to play down into the teen frequencies during this demo. He was playing down to like 18 hertz on some of the notes. I didn't get to see exactly where the port location is, but I'm pretty sure based on the screw locations, that's the depth and the length of the port, tuned really low, and it was playing down low 20s with authority. I could tell there was no unloading. You're going to see during this demo. Pretty efficient amplifier as well. Pretty sure you had it at 1 ohm with the 45 amp hour lithium, and you could actually hear the lyrics during this video. Had a little bit of copyright issues, so if you ever see me slow down the video, it's because I have some copyright problems. Sorry about that. And anybody looking at inverting the subs to get the most out of their box without taking up space, that's a really good idea to have, so you build like a little magnet support system. And these are the 2000 watt RMS Resilient Sound subs. I wanted to see the specs to show y'all. If you ever want to know more about the stuff, check out the links in the description. I try to always include all the stuff that's in the systems for my daily videos. So this is a total of 5,000 watts on 212s. The bandwidth on this was insane on the low end, so if you're looking to play over 40 hertz, this is not the demo for it. He was playing more subsonic frequencies, so 20 to 35 hertz range. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy the demo.
Shit. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. And through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and no strings. Write my own checks like I wanna sing. Yeah, this got budget. It's just deposits, my gloves. It's jumping. You like my hand? She thinks just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, I want it. I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks just drop it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, well.
Whoa, hit it. Hey, what's up, Doc? Yeah, I got cancer. Diamonds in my wrist, jump around like a rabbit. Catch me out in traffic with them choppers, I'm a savage. Chillin' with a bad and I'm an X-bitch champion. Flippin' so hard now, I'm free and sound baby. Everybody know that I'm a bad bitch baby. I be fly as fuck and I'm tellin' when I'm in. Getting epic, I'm on Atlantic. Oh shit, sick thing. Got me like, oh shit, my rich stuff, ice on my racks, my when all the money drop like soldier, bitch, you know it. My good caps and my guns loaded. Smoke a lot of weed like a golden. Got old money, ain't moldy. Young gang, get a bitch cozy. So smooth, no lotion. Around town with a toaster. Yeah, bitch, I'm a pop-up. Little nigga, you do the most. This what this dumb bitch just said. Fuck on the floor, man, I fall out the bed. Hey, before you go, can I get some more head? Hey, kick out the door, then I hopped in my bitch. Yeah, I did it again, but this time with a friend. Yeah, break a bed like I'm shaking the brain. Yeah, fuck that bitch, I'm the cream of the cream. Yeah, fuck that bitch, I'm the bitch that it is. Yeah, fuck that bitch that she know what it is. Smoke a lot of weed like a rolling. Got old money, ain't moldy. Yeah, bitch, I'm a pop-up. Little nigga, you do the most. This what this dumb bitch just
Your voltage is dead on, no movement. Wow, really nice
Yeah,
job.
that was actually with the car off.
Vehicle off, not even on.
Yeah, I just turned it on.
That's awesome, man. Very nice. Oh yeah, that's good. And it plays low.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I can play down to 14 hertz. It doesn't sound as loud, but
It won't unload.
it does great between 21 to 30 hertz.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Sounds good. What was your name?
Kyle Davis.
Kyle.
Yep, Team Blur Vision.
Team Blur Vision. All right, you have a good day.